Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you Gmaps Scraper version 4.1 to scrap data from Google Maps. In this video, you will see how I have extracted all these local business leads from Google Maps by using this latest version. So this is our tool. Now I am going to explain all of its new features and how to run this tool to scrap data from Google Maps. To run this tool, you will get this zip file from me. You will have to extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Okay, we have to type our targeted keywords and locations. You can use multiple keywords and locations at the same time. In the keyword section, for example, I type digital marketing agencies, and in location section you can type the name of city, name of state and zip code directly, and country name as well. For example, California and Germany as a country. Once you type your keywords and locations, go in the option section to select the data columns that you want to scrap. I have selected all, and these are some additional features. I will explain them later in the video. This is custom filters. I show you how it works. When all these things are done, click the start button. Okay, as we have enabled this custom filters option, it is showing message to apply the custom filters. Like you can apply your custom filters from here, and when you apply your custom filters, if you need, click this OK and it will continue the process. It has searched the keyword in our first location, and now it will scrap all these records. Now it is scraping the data. You can count the number of rows by right clicking on the footer and select count. It is scraping business title, address, website, email, phone number, other contact details, including rating, description, images and other information from Google Maps. And these are some additional features. This option will save data in the database. The data scraping is on two places. One is here and second is SQLite DB browser. Let me show you. The all-time data is also saving here. Okay. And you are seeing some emails are not scrapping. If we enable this deep search option, it will find the emails from their sub pages and social media pages also to find emails. And this option will scrap all the images of the business. And here you have to type your email. For example, I type my email and select your time interval. I am selecting on completion and click apply button. Now it will notify me when it gets completed. And here we can specify the number of results to be scrapped for each location. For example, I type 40 results per location, and this option will export data separately for each location. To save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see results. As we have set 40 results per location, now the results are going to be 40, and when it reaches the 40, it will switch to the next location. It has exported the data as we have enabled this, and it has reopened the browser, and now it has switched to the next location, Germany. Okay, the scrapping process is near to be completed. Okay, it has exported all the data, and it is now showing that all data has been scrapped and exported. So this is the scrap data. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Now our data is ready to use. Okay. You can also export this data manually. Click export button, browse your file location. For example, I select my desktop and name your file here like, and select your output format and export it. Okay, the file has been exported here. Okay. We have also enabled this email notification system. Now let's see how it has notified. Okay, we have received the email. It is saying about the process has been completed and 80 records have been scrapped from this application. Okay. So this is our tool. This tool is useful for business outreach, lead generation, and market research. You can scrap thousands of business leads within a few hours by using this tool. If you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is provided in the description. And if you find this tool helpful, share your thoughts and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.